Teachers, as we get further into the year, I want to make sure that you know how to access the digital backpack through your Google account, so that you can see what students are starting to upload. We'll be visiting about 10 of your classes to help you guys create a digital artifact, and at the end of that lesson I will be showing your students how to upload their first digital artifact. For those teachers that I'm not visiting, if you would like me to, please let me know. Remember, Ms. Goff's expectation is that we all in grades 2 through 6 have a digital artifact on our screen September 11th for our back to school night. So to access your digital backpack, you want to be in your Google Drive, and you want to see that you are logged in by looking at your icon on the top right, and it will have that JCPS logo. Once you're in your Google Drive and you are completely logged in, you're going to go to your waffle, and you won't see a digital backpack icon when you click on the waffle immediately. You're going to actually have to scroll down all the way to the bottom, and that's where you'll find your digital backpack icon. When you click on it, you're going to come to a screen that should show your different classes. As you can see, since I'm a special area teacher, I don't have any rosters that were uploaded. Your screen will look a little different in that you will have each of your classes. Now, if you have not accepted your classes yet, you will need to press accept, and then you will be able to click into each class and see what artifacts are available. You'll want to do that very soon, so that as the students upload their artifacts, you'll be able to see how it all works. As always, if you run into some trouble doing this, please let me know, and I'd be happy to help you one-on-one.